Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty, your ultimate destination for all things fashion and beauty. In today's video, we are diving into the captivating world of smoky eye makeup. The smoky eye is a timeless, sultry look that can transform your entire appearance, giving you a sophisticated, alluring aura perfect for any occasion. Whether you are getting ready for a night out or a special event, or simply want to add some drama to your everyday makeup routine. The smoky eye is your go-to look. Let's explore the steps to achieve the perfect smoky eye, tips for different eye shapes, and how to pair this iconic makeup style with the rest of your look. Introduction to eye makeup is start with the smoky eye is a versatile makeup technique that has been a staple in the beauty world for decades. Known for its dramatic and seductive effects, this makeup style involves blending darker shades on the eyelid and lower lash line to create a gradient of color that transitions from light to dark. The result is a smoldering, mysterious look that draws attention to the eyes. Prepare and priming of the eye before you begin applying eyeshadow. It's essential to prepare your eyelids to ensure makeup stays put and looks flawless. Start with a clean, moisturized face. Apply an eyeshadow primer to your eyelids or create a smooth base and prevent creasing. If you don't have a primer, a bit of concealer or foundation can also work as base. Choose a neutral color shades as your base color. This will help you to even out the tone of your eyelids and make blending easier. Apply this color all over your lid from the lash line to the brow bone using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Next, select the medium toned eyeshadow as your transition shade. This color will help to blend the darker shades into the lighter ones. Seamlessly apply the transition shade to the crease of your eye using a windshield wiper motion. This helps to add depth and dimension to the look. Now it's time to add the drama. Choose a dark eyeshadow shade such a black, charcoal or deep brown. Apply this shade to the outer corner of your eyelid, blending it inward toward the center of the lid. Use a smaller, denser brush to pack on the color and then blend it out with a clean, fluffy brush to avoid harsh lines. The key to a great smoky eye is blending, so take your time to ensure the colors transition smoothly. The balance the look, apply the same dark shade to your lower lash line. Use a small angle brush to carefully smudge the color along the lash line, connecting it to the outer corner of the upper lid. This step intensifies the smoky effect and makes your eyes look more defined. Add a touch of highlighter or a shimmery light eyeshadow to the inner corners of your eye and just below the brow bone. This will brighten your eyes and add a bit of sparkle to the overall look. Use a small brush to apply the highlighter precisely. For a truly dramatic smoky eye eyeliner is a must. Use a black or dark brown eyeliner to line your upper and lower water lines. You can also add a thin line along your upper lash and smudge it out slightly for a softer effect. Gel or pencil eyeliners will work best for the step as they are easy to blend. Finish off the look with several coats of volumizing mascara to your upper and lower lashes for an even more dramatic effect. Consider applying false lashes. Choose lashes that add volume and length without overpowering the look. If you have almond shape eyes, you are in luck because this eye shape is perfect for the smoky eye look. Focus on emphasizing the natural shape by applying the darkest color to the outer corner and blending it inward. For the round eyes, aim to elongate the eye shape by extending the eyeshadow slightly beyond the out of corner. Use darker shades on the outer third of the eyelid and blend well to create a more elongated effect. With hooded eyes, the key is to keep the darker shades above the crease to prevent them from being hidden when your eyes are open. Use highlighter shades on the lid and darker shades above the crease, blending upwards. For monolid eyes, create depth by focusing the darkest shades near the lash line and blending upward. This technique helps to define the eyes and create a gradient effect. Deep set eyes can benefit from lighter shades on the lid and darker shades in the crease. This helps to bring the eyes forward and create a balanced look. Well groomed brows are essential to frame your face and complement the smoky eye. Fill in your brows with a brow pencil or powder and set them with a clear or tinted brow gel to keep them in place. The smoky eye is a versatile and timeless makeup look that can be adapted to suit any occasion and personal style. By mastering the basics and experimenting with different techniques and colors, you can create a variety of smoky eye looks that showcase your creativity and enhance your natural beauty. At Luna Fashion and Beauty, we believe that makeup is a powerful tool for self expression. So we hope this video will inspire you to try out new smoky eye looks and embrace the bold, confident side of yourself. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find the smoky eye style that suits you best. Thank you for joining us at Luna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion, beauty tips, and inspiration. Stay fabulous, stay stylish.